Welcome to the world of geometry. Whether you're just starting or need a quick refresher, understanding basic terms and labels is the key to mastering this subject. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the most fundamental elements of geometry. Point. A point represents a location in space. It has no size, no length, no width, just position. We usually label points with capital letters like A, B, or C. Line. A line is a straight path that extends infinitely in both directions. We label it with a lowercase letter, like L, or using 2 points, such as line AB. Line segment. A line segment is part of a line that has 2 endpoints. Unlike a line, it doesn't go on forever. It starts and stops at 2 points. Ray. A ray is like a line segment, but it extends infinitely in one direction. It has one fixed endpoint and stretches endlessly in the other direction. For example, ray AB starts at A and moves forever in the direction of B. Now that we know basic terms, let's talk about how we name different elements in geometry. Angles. An angle is formed when 2 rays share a common endpoint. We name it using 3 points, with the vertex in the middle. For example, angle ABC means B is the vertex. Parallel lines. 2 lines are parallel if they never meet, no matter how far they extend. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines meet at a right angle, exactly 90 degrees. These basic terms form the foundation of geometry. Whether you're proving theorems, solving problems, or working on real-life applications, knowing these concepts is essential. Did you know? The word geometry comes from the Greek words geo, meaning earth, and metron, meaning measure. That's because ancient civilizations used geometry to measure land. Now that you've learned the basics, stay tuned for our next lesson where we explore angles, triangles, and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning.